Okay, now let us start with another part of the chapter. After nutrition, see, we are more concerned with this part now. Can say this part, the growth part, the growth part, and a bit of, not, let us not say reproduction, but the growth part of the body. Okay, so yeah, there we go. So now, cell division. Cell division is also a life process, because without cell division, your growth cannot occur. Let us first answer these two questions. What happens to the cells of injured tissue? Let us say you have got injury in your body. What happens to it? You see, automatically it heals. The cells come wherever there is a cut. Automatically your body makes cells over there, and the part is like healed. So see, this is where you see that your cells are growing, your cells multiply and they fill that part. Okay, so how does this happen? It is because of cell division. Then now let us look at this fourth question. How does growth of a living organism occur? Look at yourself, you have grown so much. Okay, so in this past years you keep on growing and still you will be growing. So how is this growth occurring? How is your body increasing in size and weight? It is because the cells of your body are multiplying continuously, and these cells are multiplying because of cell division. These cells get split in two parts. Okay, yeah, and all this happens, healing of wounds and also the growth of any living organism, all this happens because of a process called as cell division. Okay, yeah, then cell division. Now let me come to the presentation. Okay, here we go. Now cell division. First of all, there are two type of cells in your body, and they are somatic cells and germ cells. Somatic and germ. Now, what are somatic cells? Somatic cells are cells that do not take part in reproduction. They will not take part in reproduction. For example, your skin cells, your brain cells, they don't take part in reproduction. So these are called as somatic cells. Germ cells are cells that take part in reproduction. For example, in female there are ovaries. Ovaries are a very important cell. Ovaries are kind of organs which take part in reproduction, and hence the cells that they contain are called as germ cells. Similarly, sperm cells in males, again they take part in reproduction, and hence they are called as germ cells. Okay, so cell division, first of all understand there are two type of cells, somatic and germ. Somatic, they do not take part in reproduction, and these somatic cells, they multiply or they divide by a process called as mitosis. And these germ cells which take part in reproduction, they multiply by a process called as meiosis. Okay, now this haploid cells, I'll come to this part later on, but let us first study what is mitosis. Okay, now for this mitosis, look at this part. Mitosis यानी cell division. This mitosis, cell division, takes part in two processes, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. See, first of all, the cell is made up of nucleus, right? So first of all, the nucleus will split, okay, and then the cytoplasm will split. You must know what structure of. Let me first tell you the structure of cell again. So your cell contains nucleus, and around the nucleus there is cytoplasm. So in the first stage of cell division, your nucleus divides, and that is called as karyokinesis, division of nucleus. And once the nucleus is divided, then the cytoplasm around it will divide, and that is called as cytokinesis. Okay, so again, see, cell division, somatic cells, they multiply or they divide by a process called as mitosis, and mitosis itself happens in two parts, karyokinesis, nucleus division, cytokinesis, cytoplasm splits. Now nucleus further divides in four stages, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Okay, so nucleus के divide होने की भी चार stages है, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Okay, we'll take help of textbook to understand this. देखो, okay, क्या we are doing mitosis now. Okay, mitosis कर रहे, and now see mitosis. Let us read that. Mitosis cells, in mitosis, somatic cells and stem cells divide by mitosis. Mitosis is completed through two main steps, and what are they? It is karyokinesis, your nuclear division, and cytokinesis, your cytoplasmic division. Okay, and karyokinesis, and nucleus splits in again four stages, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So let us come to prophase now. See, now what happens? See, again I'll be doing this part very shortly in this video, So maybe if you have doubts, write your doubts and ask me in the classroom. Again, we'll be doing this part in classroom in very much detail, but here just do it in a very general term so that you'll just get an idea. Okay, now see, this is your cell and this is the nucleus. The nucleus contains chromosomes. Chromosomes are thread-like structure in your nucleus. See what is happening now. These chromosomes are condensing, that is they are thickening. Many of chromosomes are coming together and forming a bond, and they are thickening now. This is what is happening. Can you see? The chromosomes are slowly converting into this X-like structure. Okay, and also what happens in this prophase is the nuclear membrane it starts disappearing. Remember what is happening, the chromosomes, they start condensing, that is they start getting together and converting to X-like structure. And second thing that is happening is your nuclear membrane, it starts disappearing. Okay, see, nuclear membrane starts to disappear, and what happens is, see this, these chromosomes become short and thick, and they start to appear with the pair of sister chromatids. Okay, I'll discuss this in video, you will understand this. So that is your prophase. Then in metaphase what happens is the nuclear membrane, ये जो membrane थी, it disappears totally, पूरा disappear हो जाता है. उसके बाद क्या हो जाता है, these chromosomes they arrange themselves in a plane. Can you see, एक साथ एक लाइन में अरेंज कर लेते खुद को. उतना ही नहीं, तुम्हारे सेल के बाहर एक सेंट्रियोल, दैट समथिंग कॉल्ड एज सेंट्रियोल. कैन यू सी, मैंने मार्क किया हुआ है यहाँ पर. कैन यू सी दिस सेंट्रियोल, दैट्स अ सेंट्रियोल. वो अपने आप को डुप्लीकेट बना देता है. इट डुप्लीकेट्स इटसेल्फ. सी, इट हैज़ बिकम 2 नाउ. एंड वंस इट डुप्लीकेट्स, एक यहाँ रहता है और एक दूसरे कोने में चला जाता है. देन वहाँ से वो लोग क्या करते हैं, दे fibers, they start emitting fibers out of it. These fibers are called as spindle fibers. See here, you can you see the fibers are coming out, spindle fibers. And now these spindle fibers will come and stick to the chromosomes. कैसे चिपक जाएंगे यहाँ से, और ये वाला यहाँ से spindle fibers को चिपका देगा. कहाँ पर, बीच में चिपकाएगा क्रोमोसोम के. दिस सेंटर पार्ट इज कॉल्ड एज सेंट्रोमियर. वहाँ पर आके चिपक जाएगा. So this happens in your metaphase. And then comes the anaphase. In anaphase what happens is this chromosome breaks from the middle. टूट जाता है बीच में से. टूटने के बाद आधा पार्ट यहाँ पर चले जाते हैं एंड आधे क्रोमोसोम्स यहाँ पर चले जाते हैं. ओके, क्रोमोसोम्स का आधा पार्ट on towards the, let us say towards the left and half parts towards the right. And after that, once this half part reaches over there, again they start again nuclear membrane वहाँ पर बनने को शुरू हो जाती है. And that what happens in telophase. Once these chromosomes are divided and when they reach the 2 poles of the cells, again क्या हो जाता है, वहाँ पर nuclear membrane बनने को शुरू हो जाती है. Again 2 nuclear membranes are formed, and that is how then this पूरा होने के बाद you can see now there are two nucleus that has been formed in a single cell. Okay, now let me take you to this video. It will be
mitosis. In this module,
okay, mitosis. Look, okay, just a second. Yeah, I did play. Yeah, because of mitosis, can you see this, the parts of the body can grow. That is what they are trying to say here. Okay, yeah, this is where they start. Phases of mitosis: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. And after the nucleus has split, can you see the cytoplasm it's splitting now. ओके, सो सबसे पहले कैरियोकाइनेसिस हो चुका है, 2 न्यूक्लियस बन चुके हैं. अब क्या हो रहा है, अब साइटोकाइनेसिस हो रहा है. अब तेरा साइटोप्लाज्म डिवाइड हो रहा है एंड इस तरह 2 डॉटर सेल्स आर फॉर्म्ड. चलो लेट अस स्टार्ट नाउ. दिस इज हाउ इट स्टार्ट्स. सो क्या है, सो सेल है, दिस इज योर न्यूक्लियस एंड न्यूक्लियस के अंदर दिस आर योर क्रोमोसोम्स. ओके, नाउ दिस क्रोमोसोम्स हैव स्टार्टेड टू कंडेंस. वो इकट्ठा हो रहे, अब जाके एक्स बनाएंगे. एंड दिख रहा है वो सेंट्रियोल दिख रहा है, सेंट्रियोल जो मैंने बोला था. सी नाउ उसने क्या किया, उसने अब खुद का एक रेप्लिका बना दिया. इट हैज़ डुप्लीकेटेड इटसेल्फ. सो इन